Okay, so this has been sitting down there and the rope broke. And of course on this model, cover is riveted, so you got to get this whole case off. I had to take the air breather off. There is a bolt down here under the carburetor. I'm hoping that I don't have to take the carburetor off. I can kind of work it out of there, but you may end up having to take that off as well. But I'll let you know. Took the choke and fuel shut off cover off, one there. Slide that out, take the cable off, and then there's one over here. And then I think there's just one, two down on the bottom right here. And then there's another one under here, three. I think that's it. So we'll find out in a second. Okay, so there was one right here. There's another one of those 8s or whatever. They're actually probably SAE. I think it's a 5. Yeah, 5/16 and a 3/8 is what you'll need. But take that one off from the air breather, and then I did loosen the carburetor. I loosened the carburetor first before I took that one off, so I don't know which actually freed it. But once you got this off, and the carburetor, actually it's not even broken free from the thing, so I'm just going to tighten it back up. So I think it's just this, and then the bolts around it, and you should be able to get it out of there. All right, so I didn't order a thing. I just went down and got some 1/8" nylon. Well, this one's poly. Yeah, no, nylon cord. It's pretty much all it is. This one's actually a little bit bigger, and I almost bought the little bit bigger one, but anyway, this is pretty standard for pull cord, so it'll work. This was only like $3, and I don't need a new plastic piece, so. And this will go in my drawer and use it for whatever. Real scientific. And give me a little extra for knots. This one out of here. Well, maybe I did need a new plastic one. Come on. There we go. Okay, and you find your hole and wind it up. I noticed on Amazon they had a kit that came with one of these and basically one of these, but it was a fancy little thing. And it was, I don't remember, it was still wasn't expensive, but you know, it was like $5 for what would take the place of a screwdriver. So I was thinking, man, I just always go until I think it's more than enough. And that should be good about right there. I think I can get it through. And just stick your changing kit tool through a hole there so that it doesn't unwind. And then you stick your little line through there. Go. Use a little piece of wire to poke it through. That was a little bit easier. Or you could attach it to the wire. Anyway, don't let your screwdriver come out yet. And tie your knot in there. I tie 2 on this side just to make sure it doesn't come out of that hole. Right on a big one there. Pull it out. Hold on to it a little bit and get your screwdriver out. And hopefully you went around enough turns. There we go. Now I just got to put it back on the mower or on the tiller for this one. But this will work for any item. Got to get my super stool. I don't know how old this thing is, but And it sure works out for everything. My wife uses it in the garden and everywhere. I use it here. I use it as a step stool. It's done all kinds of stuff. Anyway, now we just got to get this back on there. Oh, I'm going the wrong hole. There we go. Well, that was giving me a little bit of trouble, but it was an easy problem. I was going about it the wrong way. Anyway, this is a little bit bent, so you gotta push it up over that lip and then it fits right in. So I'm gonna start over and then push it right in there, and then I could not get it on there, and I thought it was catching right here on the rope pull thing, but it's not. It's right here on the bottom. So just push up and then tuck it in there. And that's it. So just push that up so it gets over that lip. And there it is. All done with that. Way too much time on that. I had to hit pause because I couldn't figure out what was going on. Anyway, finally got it. That rope is all messed up. It has been sitting for a year. So we'll cheat. Oh yeah. Let's probably this gas carburetor. Well, there actually isn't really that much in there. I got a leak in my pump. Anyway, I was trying to see if I like these things, so I'm going to get a better one. This one's only 12 bucks, and they do work pretty good. But now it's got a leak in it. Second time I've repaired it already, so don't buy this one.